Shenzhen ZYT Technology Company Limited is a Chinese industrial display supplier with long history. We have been working in the industrial display field for 12 years, specialized in developing bespoke monitor, industrial panel PC, high brightness display, digital signage, panel PC, and so on. In 2022, we moved to our new production base in Zhou with around 1,800 square meters to improve our production capacity with fast delivery. Zhou ZYT Technology Company Limited has own panel production line for bespoke LCD, backlight, and optical bonding, and also has our metalwork factory for timely delivery and excellent quality. Our main market is USA, Europe, and Asia. Competitive price, reliable quality, swift delivery, quick response, professional service, and action are our soul. We have a rigorous quality management system in accordance with ISO 9000. Our products are certificated by CE, ROHS, REACH, FCC, UKCA. ZYT offers customized display solutions as a one-stop solution to develop a display product from your concept through to a production-ready item. Our hot-selling items are 43-inch and 49-inch curved display, halo monitor, high-brightness display, digital kiosk, and industrial panel PC. We are a focused but flexible growing company who is open to proposals and ideas from such professionals. With our experienced and efficient teamwork, we are confident that we can help you with your LCD project.